The Filipino adverb madalas means often or frequently in English. Madalas. Madalas. Let us have the following example sentences using the word madalas. Ang pamilya niya ay madalas maglakbay. It means his or her family often travel. Pamilya is family niya is his or her gender neutral. Madalas is always, and then lakbay means to travel or to go somewhere. Ang pamilya niya ay madalas maglakbay. Madalas may traffic sa EDSA tuwing rush hour. There is often traffic on EDSA during rush hour. So madalas is often or frequently traffic. EDSA is a street in Manila. And then tuwing is during rush hour. Madalas may traffic sa EDSA tuwing rush hour. Madalas akong uminom ng kape. I often drink coffee. Madalas is often. And then ako is I, inom is drink. And then kape is coffee. Madalas akong uminom ng kape. Madalas mo bang nakikita ang kaibigan mo? Do you often see your friend? Madalas is always, and then or often mo is you ba is like question marker. Nakikita-kita is like to see or to meet, and then kaibigan is a friend mo is you. Madalas mo bang nakikita ang kaibigan mo? Once more, when we say madalas, it means often or frequently in English. Madalas. Madalas.